Hi everyone, Miss Usman here with a how-to video for IXL Geometry L6. In this IXL, they ask us to find the coordinates for the vertices after a reflection given across a line. That line could be the y-axis, the x-axis, x equals a number, y equals a number, y equals x, or y equals negative x. In this video, I'm specifically going to be talking about x equals a number as my example because it is the more difficult of the lines. If you look at the YouTube channel, there is a reflections rules video that talks about how to find the coordinates for images using the x and y axis and y equals x, y equals negative x line. There are special rules for those that make them a whole lot easier. Unfortunately, there's no shortcut for x equals a number or y equals a number. Instead, I'm going to be using Desmos to help me find those points. So I'm going to start by taking my points, S, T, U, V, and I'm going to move them over to Desmos. So I've plotted them there and labeled them. I've also drawn the lines, which you don't need to do. I just did that in case. If you need help with plotting the points, labeling them, or changing your graph so that it looks like this with all of the numbers and all of the lines, take a look at the L5 how-to video where I go into how to change all of that. So back at IXL, it says we're reflecting this quadrilateral over the line x equals -4. So that's the next thing I'm going to plot in Desmos is x equals -4. So I know where that is, okay? So that's right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to count. Okay, I'm going to start with V because it's the closest. So V is 1 away from the line, so it should end up right here at -5, -4. So when I go back to Desmos, V should end up at -5, -4. U is 1, 2, 3, 4 away. So if I go 4 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, it ends up at -8, -3. So when I go over here, my U ended up at -8, -3. T would be next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it ends up right here at -10, -4. So T would be at -10, -4. Sorry, that should be a 10. That should be a -4. And I'm just realizing that -3 should be over here. All right, one more. S. So let's count S. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should end up right here at -8, -5. -8, -5. And that is how I would use Desmos to figure out where the coordinates are reflected to.